Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt and I'm here again with another game idea for you. So this idea is, in this instance, is for practicing some phrases and what they mean and getting to know them, but you could also use this for vocab and sentence structures, whatever you like. So I've got this phrase whai mai, which means follow or copy, kōrero mai, which means speak to me, mahi tahi, which means work together or teamwork, work as one, me haere, which means let's go, and haere tonu, which means keep going. So it's really good to move on to some new phrases, probably about one a week is enough, and cement that phrase. And the way to cement it is to use it, and also to cement a phrase or the phrases that you've already added to your kete, to cement them is to play a game. So you could play this by yourself or with other staff members. If you've got children that can read, you can do that with that. Now you might have noticed there's a little symbol at the bottom of each one so that you can know, if you don't know what they mean, you can at least match the symbols. So I don't know where everything is, but you've got your cards here. It can be any number that you like. And I'm going to have a turn, and I'm going to turn over speak to me, and I think that was there. Oh, no, I'm wrong. So that says speak to me, and I know it isn't whai mai because the symbols are different. All right, so that's speak to me, and that's whai mai. Follow, copy, and I remember that symbol, and I know that that means whai mai. So I've turned those over, and then I would have that pair, and the next person having a turn, if there's more than one, would have the turn next. So a simple memory game that you can use to practice your Māori language. Ka kite.